Hey everyone, today we're going to take a very unscientific look and compare the noise from a battery powered chainsaw versus two gas chainsaws. So we've got a DEWALT 20 volt battery chainsaw versus a Stihl MS-192 gas chainsaw and a Pool & Pro 4218 gas chainsaw. So I couldn't find any authoritative information for the DEWALT battery powered chainsaw decibel level, but the Stihl, the sound pressure is 100 decibels and the sound power is 112, and the Pool & Pro, the noise pressure level is 97 and the noise power level is 106. So I'm going to fire up the chainsaws and we'll compare the noise level.